Kelly Shaffner here. I have a Stitch Fix to unbox with you today, and I also have my Fair Trade Friday Earring of the Month Club. So if you want to see the earrings that I got and what is inside my Stitch Fix box, stick around. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. Hello. I make videos here all about women's clothing, so if you enjoy that type of video, be certain to subscribe. Returning subscribers, hi everyone, how are you? I am so glad that you are here today. So in this envelope is my Fair Trade Friday Earring of the Month. Yes, I get a pair of earrings every month through Fair Trade Friday. This is actually a gift from my friend Barbie. Thank you, Barbie. I love my earrings. These earrings support a ministry. I will leave all of the details in the description box below. So if you are interested in getting some really cool earrings at a fabulous price, I believe it's $12.95 a month. Check it out in the description below. I do not have an affiliate link, but I do have information for you. And you guys already know Stitch Fix. If you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, everything that you need to know to get your own Stitch Fix is in the description box below as well. I do have a referral link. Thank you to everyone that has used my link. You guys are so awesome. I do have some credit on this box. I thank you all very, very much. Every time you use my links, you support this channel. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you. Let's see what I got today. First up, let's do the earrings. Let's see the earrings. Okay, my earrings come with a card, and the card always tells you about the earrings or about the artist and the young lady that made the earrings for you. I'm not going to read the card today, but that's what it looks like. And here is the package my earrings came in. This is a nice big package. Is it knotted? It is. Let's see. Okay. Oh, okay. Here is the card that tells me more about the earrings, and here are the earrings. Look how cool. Okay, these look like a mustard color, which would actually match the sweater that I'm wearing right now. I want to talk to you about this sweater too in a moment, but these are by the Bella Beautiful Life, Style with Purpose, creating beautiful lives one artisan at a time. And that's what they look like. They are a leather earring. They're a dangly. Oh my goodness, aren't those great? I will try these on for you. Let's get into the Stitch Fix box first. This is what the inside of my box looks like. Every Stitch Fix box has the instructions printed right on the inside of the box, so it's very, very easy to figure out your try on, your send back, all of that. I do have an envelope filled with information. This has a style card and an invoice. I will check to see if I have my stylist, and I have a return mailer. If there's anything in here that doesn't work for me, I just put it back in this mailer and drop it off at the post office. It's postage free, very, very easy. And I have a bundle. It's a big bundle too. A bundle filled with clothing. Ooh, I see something in mustard. So that might match my new earrings. Okay, this looks really great. Okay, I just want to peek at my style card. Yes, I do. I have Jason. Jason is my regular stylist, and I really, really love him. You can request Jason if you like. Okay, let's see. This is on the top of my bundle, and this is a super soft long sleeve tee. This is by Mix by 41 Hawthorne, and it's kind of a charcoal gray and black. It does have, it looks like a dolman sleeve. This feels really soft. I have an idea. There's a lot of rayon in this. I'll check it and let you know during the try on. Okay, the next piece is an animal print, and this is Fortune and Ivy, and this is kind of a teal color. Animal print, tab sleeve, polyester top. It is a button up, and it has some pockets on it. So this kind of looks like a Kelly top. Let's see, what is this mustard? This is intriguing. Oh gosh. This is a cardigan, which I love the color. This is Mixed by 41 Hawthorne. This is a really super lightweight cardigan. It does not have pockets. It's a really vibrant mustard color. I have several mustard cardigans, so I don't need this. I like the color on this. I like the weight of it. It is a lightweight cardigan. It doesn't have pockets, so that's not wonderful. And a denim jacket. A denim jacket for me, of all people. This is just USA. A denim, kind of looks like a trucker jacket. Again, this is a piece I do not need. I have several denim jackets. And I wouldn't mind a denim jacket if I could get one that was in a color that I don't have, but I have dark wash, I have medium wash, I have light wash, just blue denim jackets. So this one looks very regular to me. So I'll try it on. I'll see if it's spectacular. And the last thing I have, it's by a brand named Dictionary. Anybody familiar with Dictionary? And these look like kind of a chino pant in a rust color. Oh, these are interesting. They do have the slash pockets, which seldom work for me. And they're like a trouser, but they're a really cool color, great fall color. These are the Eva straight leg pant in orange red. Try on time. Okay, I'm back and I've tried everything on. I'm still wearing my earrings. I will probably wear these the rest of the day because they do style so nicely with the sweater I'm wearing. And I did want to talk to you about this sweater. This is a Stitch Fix find. I picked this up in Stitch Fix, one of my boxes in like January or February. I couldn't resist it. It's super soft, and that is why I bought it in the mustard color. It also has these elbow patches that are like a suede, incredibly soft. I think I wore this sweater a couple times. I don't know if I made a video in it, but I wore it a couple times this year. I pulled it out to wear it today, and I want to share with you the condition. How much pilling. This is not even a year into this sweater. This is by the brand Pink Clover, and I'm a little disappointed. I truly would like to wear the clothing that I enjoy more than one season if possible. I think this sweater cost me in the $40, probably $44. So yeah, if you get one of these sweaters in your boxes, I do not recommend it because I am not satisfied with the way that it washed and that it's wearing. Do you have any experience with pieces or brands from Stitch Fix that you are not completely satisfied with the long-term wear of it? I mean, it's been less than a year, so I should be able to wear this fall, and I will wear it today in my house, but this one is going to move on. I'll never wear this outside of the home. Look at all the pilling on it. Can you see it? I'm being too sensitive, right? Yeah. I'm not happy with it. So please share in the comments below if there's any brand that you shy away from because you've had some problems with the wear on it. Okay, and speaking of wear, here is the really, really cute, super soft, this is not long sleeve. This is a 3/4 sleeve top, and this one is by Mix by 41 Hawthorne. It is called the Corinna Brush Dolman Knit Top. I'm scared of this top because it feels so much like this Pink Clover top. This is a rayon and spandex blend, which is the same fabric content of the top that I'm wearing. This one's only $38. It is the charcoal and black stripe top. This would be a fun layering piece. I just have a feeling it's not going to wash well, and it's only $38. It's very comfortable right now, but I'm scared of it. Do you have any experience with this one? Have you got it? I like the way it looks, and I do think that this would be a very, very easy top to work into your fall wardrobe. So let me know if you have tried any of the tops by Mix by 41 Hawthorne. Okay, next up are the pants, and these pants are by Dictionary, a brand I'm not familiar with. These are the Eva straight leg pant, and they are in an orange red color. I like the lining. Isn't that nice? The lining is nice, and also they do have a really kind of nice braided detail on the pockets, the slash pockets. They are a mid-rise, which is not my favorite rise, and they feel like a trouser. They're very, very comfortable. I do like the color of these, but I don't know if this is a pair of pants that I would even want to wear but they're super comfortable. I do like how these style with the different pieces that Jason sent this time. The price on these is $48, which is a really super price for a very, very comfortable pair of slacks. And I do think that they style nicely with this color, with different fall outfits, and actually with almost everything that Jason sent in this box pairs really nicely with these super comfortable dictionary straight leg pants. So I can't wait to hear what you think about these pants. Okay, next up is the denim jacket. This is the most expensive thing in this entire fix. This one is $68, and it's very nice. Can you see the stretch? I used to have denim jackets that did not have stretch in them, and I have retired all of them. I mean, they just make fabulous denim jackets today. This one is no exception. It does button up, and I mean, it's just a classic denim jacket. If you need a denim jacket, I would request this one from your stylist, the Just USA. This is just a classic kind of trucker style jacket that it's very comfortable. I just don't need a denim jacket. So, okay, I'm sending this one back, and I have no shot at a 5 for 5. Okay, the next piece is the animal print by Fortune and Ivy, and this is the Christelle button-down blouse in dark green. I almost called it teal, but yeah, I like the color of green. Super fall color. This is a tab sleeve top, and it's not a long sleeve. It's a long 3/4 sleeve button up. I think the collar on this one is so well done. I like the V-neck, and then we do have the collar. I do enjoy wearing a collared blouse, especially with a cardigan. You'll see that look in a moment, having the cardigan underneath. And isn't this a fun twist on animal print? I mean, we're seeing so much animal print this season, and it's so nice to see it in some different variations of color. And we also have the pockets. The pockets are really nicely done. I mean, they're camouflaged. I like this one a lot. This one is $42. It's definitely a Kelly top. You guys like this one? Do I need more animal print? I am adding so much animal print to my wardrobe. When is enough enough? I don't know. Let me know what you think about this one, because I'm leaning towards keeping this one. The final clothing piece is the cardigan. This one is mixed by 41 Hawthorne. A lot of mix in this one. This is the Aubriana long sleeve knit cardigan. This one is only $38, super price. I love these lower price point cardigans. The thing that's missing from this beautiful mustard cardigan is the pockets. And I like the way this one feels a lot. This one, I like it. I like it. I do not need it. I already have several mustard cardigans. If you've been watching my channel for any length of time, you know I really was into the mustard last fall, last winter. So I am going to send this one back as well. The arms on this one are a little bit long, and it's very, very thin, so you could see my blouse underneath. This one is one of the prettiest mustards I have seen. So now, the total price on this fix came to $234. The buy all discount, if I was to keep everything, the buy all discount is minus $58.50, which brings the total to $175.50. I do have $50 in credit, which brings the total to $125.50, and I'm not keeping everything. I have no need for either the cardigan or the denim jacket, so my choices are the animal print top, which is awesome. The dictionary pants. Do I need some dictionary pants? And the super soft and comfortable striped Corinna brush knit top. So these three, can you see them? These are the three I am considering keeping. I'll wait to hear your comments before I make my decision. I've been doing such a good job of sleeping on it, listening to your thoughts and opinions before I am checking out with my Stitch Fix and with all of my boxes. So thank you very much for all of your help and insight. I really appreciate it. Guys, did you see my earrings? Earrings from Fair Trade Friday, which I absolutely love. If you have not yet checked out the Fair Trade Friday Earring of the Month Club, please just take a look at it. Familiarize yourself with this awesome jewelry subscription. They also also offer a bracelet of the month club, and I do think they have some special packages coming up for the holidays. So if you're looking for a really nice gift for someone or even for yourself, treat yourself with some Fair Trade Friday. Check it out. That's my Stitch Fix, and these are my Fair Trade Friday earrings, and I am a very happy lady right now. There is nothing like a box of clothing to just make my heart happy. Could I get you to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it? Make sure you subscribe and come back, join me for another video. I am so excited about my next video, so subscribe, be on the lookout for it. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings to all of you.